Every morning, millions of eggs are cracked at the exact same time.
Cheeseburgers on the chute.
Copy that.
In different cities, different countries, different kitchens. Yet they all taste identical. That shouldn't happen. Eggs are unstable. They change with heat, time, and touch. But here, nothing changes. No chef controls the outcome. No cook makes a decision. The result is locked in before the egg is even cooked.
Chef, right away.
This isn't food, it's a system. And once you see how it works, you'll never look at breakfast the same way again. Every morning, before most cities fully wake up, millions of people order the same breakfast. An English muffin, a round egg, Canadian bacon, a slice of cheese. No matter where you are, New York, London, Dubai, or Tokyo, the Egg McMuffin tastes the same. Same size, same texture, same flavor. That kind of consistency doesn't happen by accident. Behind this simple sandwich is a system that starts hours before sunrise. A system built around timing, precision, and control. Eggs must arrive fresh. Ingredients must be perfectly matched. Temperatures must never change. One mistake, one delay, and breakfast service fails. What makes this even more unusual is that the Egg McMuffin is not frozen. The egg is cooked fresh every single morning. So how does one company manage millions of eggs every day, move them across countries, keep them safe, cook them the same way, and serve them hot, all within a few hours? This is not fast food. It is logistics. It is food engineering. It is one of the most tightly controlled breakfast supply chains in the world. To understand how it works, we have to start at the very beginning with the egg. Every Egg McMuffin begins long before it reaches a restaurant. It begins at the source. McDonald's does not raise chickens itself. Instead, it relies on a network of approved egg suppliers. These suppliers are selected based on strict standards. Egg farms must meet requirements for hygiene, animal welfare, and traceability. Each egg can be tracked back to the farm it came from. Hens are raised under controlled conditions. Their feed is monitored, their health is checked regularly. This is essential for consistency. Egg size, shell strength, and freshness all affect how an egg cooks. Even small variations can change the final product. After laying, eggs are collected quickly. They are inspected for cracks and defects. Any egg that does not meet standards is removed. Only approved eggs move forward in the supply chain. Before leaving the farm, eggs are graded and packed. They are then placed into temperature-controlled storage. From this point on, temperature becomes critical. Eggs must remain cold but never frozen. If temperatures rise or fall outside the safe range, the entire batch can be rejected. This is how consistency begins, not in the kitchen, but at the farm. Once packed and approved, the eggs are ready for the next stage, transportation. Once eggs leave the farm, the clock starts. Fresh eggs are highly sensitive to temperature changes. Even small fluctuations can affect safety and quality. To prevent this, eggs move through a controlled cold chain system. From the moment they are packed, eggs are kept refrigerated. They are loaded into temperature-controlled trucks. These vehicles are designed to maintain a constant environment. Before departure, truck temperatures are verified. If the temperature is outside the approved range, loading stops. During transit, sensors continuously monitor conditions inside the trailer. Data is recorded in real time. If temperatures rise or fall beyond limits, alerts are triggered. Affected shipments can be rejected before reaching the next stage. Timing matters as much as temperature. Deliveries are scheduled to match breakfast demand windows. Eggs are moved quickly to avoid long storage times. This system reduces waste and protects freshness. The cold chain does not end at delivery. Eggs remain refrigerated at distribution centers. They are stored briefly, then dispatched again under the same controls. Every handoff is documented. Every temperature check is logged. This level of control ensures that when eggs reach a restaurant, they arrive fresh, safe, and ready to be cooked. The cold chain is invisible to customers, but without it, breakfast would not be possible. Once eggs arrive at the processing facility, speed and hygiene become critical. These facilities are designed to handle thousands of eggs per hour. The goal is simple: remove the shell without damaging the egg. Eggs are unloaded in controlled environments. Temperature is maintained at all times. Before processing begins, eggs are washed and sanitized. This removes dirt and bacteria from the shell surface. Eggs move to automated cracking lines. Machines crack each egg with precise force. Any egg that breaks incorrectly is rejected immediately. Liquid eggs are collected in sterile containers. No preservatives are added. Quality checks continue throughout the process. Egg color, texture, and consistency are monitored. Only eggs that meet standards move forward. From here, the eggs are ready for controlled distribution to restaurants for fresh cooking. Once the eggs arrive at McDonald's restaurants, the final stage begins. Inside each restaurant, eggs are stored under refrigeration. Temperature limits are strictly followed. Fresh eggs are never frozen. When breakfast service starts, eggs are removed in small batches. Each egg is cooked fresh. Liquid egg is poured into round metal rings placed directly onto flat grills. These rings shape the egg perfectly. Cooking time is precise. Steam is used to ensure even texture. Every egg is cooked the same way. While eggs cook, other ingredients are prepared. English muffins arrive pre-baked from approved bakeries. They are sliced and toasted on demand. Canadian bacon is pre-cooked, then reheated briefly on the grill. Cheese slices are cut to exact weight, designed to melt evenly at specific temperatures. Nothing is accidental. Assembly follows a strict order. Toasted muffin base, Canadian bacon, freshly cooked egg, cheese slice, top muffin. Each step is timed. Speed matters, but accuracy matters more. During the breakfast rush, restaurants balance preparation with demand. Too much food creates waste. Too little slows service. Staff are trained to anticipate orders based on time and location. Behind the scenes, quality checks continue. Holding times are monitored, temperatures are logged, any product outside limits is discarded. Training is standardized globally. Every McDonald's kitchen follows the same procedures, the same equipment, the same timing. This is why the Egg McMuffin tastes the same everywhere. It is not the result of a single recipe. It is the result of a system. If an issue occurs, traceability systems allow ingredients to be tracked back through the supply chain. Batches can be identified, products can be removed quickly. This level of control protects customers and the brand. In the end, the Egg McMuffin is not just breakfast. It is logistics, it is coordination, it is consistency at scale. From farm to grill, every step is designed to deliver the same result every morning. The Egg McMuffin does not rely on individual skill. It relies on a system. Across the world, every McDonald's kitchen operates under the same rules, the same procedures, the same limits. This is not accidental. Every step of breakfast preparation is standardized, from how eggs are stored, to how long they're cooked, to how quickly they must be served. These procedures are written, tested, and enforced. New staff are trained using the same materials, the same demonstrations, the same timing. Training focuses on repetition, doing the same task the same way every single day. This removes variation. Supervisors monitor compliance during service. Holding times are checked. Temperatures are logged. Any deviation is corrected immediately. If a product exceeds its approved time window, it is discarded. No exceptions. Audits are routine. Internal inspections verify that equipment, procedures, and food safety standards are being followed correctly. These audits do not focus on speed alone. They focus on accuracy, because speed without control leads to inconsistency. Behind every Egg McMuffin is documentation, delivery records, temperature logs, training certifications. If a problem is reported, ingredients can be traced backward through the entire supply chain. This traceability protects customers and allows issues to be isolated quickly. The result of this system is predictability. Customers do not rely on a specific cook, they rely on the process. That is why the Egg McMuffin tastes familiar no matter where it is ordered, not because of a secret recipe, but because the system never changes. Food safety is not optional. For a breakfast item served every morning, risk must be controlled before it appears. At every stage of production, quality checks are built into the system. Ingredients are approved before use. Storage conditions are monitored continuously. Cooking procedures follow exact limits. Inside restaurants, food safety begins with time and temperature. Cold items stay cold, hot items stay hot. Eggs, meats, and dairy products are stored separately. Cross-contamination is avoided by design. During service, holding times are tracked. Products are not kept beyond approved windows. If limits are exceeded, the food is discarded. Cleaning is constant. Work surfaces are sanitized regularly. Tools are washed and replaced. Hand hygiene is enforced. Staff follows strict procedures. Gloves are changed, hands are washed between tasks. Supervisors monitor compliance in real time. Issues are corrected immediately. Beyond the restaurant, food safety extends through documentation. Each ingredient batch can be traced backward, from restaurant to distribution center to processing facility to the source. If a concern is reported, affected products can be identified quickly. This system reduces risk and protects customers. Food safety is not visible to the customer, but it determines whether breakfast can be trusted. Breakfast is the shortest meal window of the day, but it is also the most intense. For McDonald's restaurants, the breakfast rush is predictable but unforgiving. Orders surge within a narrow time frame. Mistakes cannot be corrected later. Preparation begins before customers arrive. Equipment is checked, ingredients are staged, stations are positioned for speed. Eggs must be cooked continuously, muffins toasted in steady cycles. Assembly never stops. The challenge is balance. Producing too slowly creates delays. Producing too much creates waste. Staff rely on forecasting, past data, time of day, location patterns. Urban stores move faster. Highway locations peak earlier. Every restaurant adjusts within the same system. Communication. No single station works alone. Despite the speed, procedures do not change. food safety limits remain fixed. Quality standards remain enforced. The system is designed to absorb pressure without breaking. When the rush ends, production slows. Excess food is discarded, stations are cleaned, the system resets. Breakfast is over, but the process will repeat the next morning. When food is produced at scale, mistakes must be anticipated. For McDonald's, safety does not end at preparation. It continues through traceability. Every ingredient used in an Egg McMuffin is part of a documented chain. Eggs, meats, dairy, and bread are tracked by batch. Each batch is assigned identifiers. These records link products from restaurant to distribution center to processing facility to supplier. If a concern is raised, the system does not rely on guesswork. It relies on data. Restaurants can identify which ingredients were used, when they were delivered, and where they came from. If necessary, specific batches can be isolated. Products can be removed without shutting down the entire system. This limits disruption and reduces risk. Recalls are rare, but preparation is constant. Procedures are defined in advance, staff are trained to respond calmly. Communication moves quickly through internal channels. Restaurants receive instructions, distribution centers act immediately, suppliers are notified. Documentation allows decisions to be made with precision. Customers may never notice when the system is activated, but this invisible layer of control is essential. Because at scale, trust depends on the ability to respond, not with speed alone, but with accuracy. The Egg McMuffin is designed to be predictable. That predictability is not accidental, it is engineered. Across thousands of locations, the same ingredients are used, the same equipment is installed, the same procedures are followed. English muffins are baked to identical specifications, eggs are cooked using the same method, cheese melts at controlled temperatures, kitchen layouts are standardized, grills are calibrated, timers are synchronized. This reduces variation. Staff rotate, locations differ, but the process remains the same. Training ensures that tasks are performed identically. Tools guide behavior. Limits prevent improvisation. Local taste does not shape the product, the system does. This approach allows scale without loss of consistency. A sandwich ordered in one city matches the sandwich ordered in another, not because people cook the same way, but because the system does not change. This is the final layer of control, and it is what makes the Egg McMuffin familiar wherever it is served.